how to create a tech and gadgets store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform where you can create your own online store without any programming languages or without any development skills. So here I'm going to show you how you can start your account in the first place. So just go to your browser, type Shopify, then click on the first link that you will encounter, which is this one. And then you will proceed to this page. Just click on start free trial, then enter your email and you will have your account created. After that, this will be your dashboard. It's where you're going to change everything about your store. And here in your left, you have all of the buttons that you will need to change or to customize or to improve your store. So here we have the orders. It's where you can check all of your orders, the total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the delivered ones, the fulfilled ones. So you can see all of the informations about your orders. Then we have the products. It's where you can create new products or where you can import products from the other stores. Then we have the customers, the content, and the analytics. So here guys, in the analytics, it's where you can check everything about your data, starting with the total sales. Then you have the online store conversion rate, the sessions, the total orders again, and you have the average order value, which is the AOV. So you can see all of these things in here. Then we have the online store. It's where you're going to change how your store is looking like. It's where you're going to start designing your store to fit your requirements. So here let's view the store first to see how it's looking like. So this is how our store is looking like right now before we start customizing it. So here let's go back, and I'm currently using Craft. It's my current theme right now. You can first, I'm going to remove this one in here. I'm already using one. I don't need two in the theme library. I'm going to leave down in here, and by scrolling down you will be able to see the other themes. So here just click on visit theme store, then you will be able to choose the theme that you would like to use in your store. So here let's go back and let's refresh. It's taking a little bit of time to load. So here just scroll down again and let's give it a few seconds to load. Here scroll down and click on visit theme store in order to see all of the available themes. So here as you can see we have 173 themes. 12 of them are free, the others are paid. So let's filter by free. We are not ready to pay $360 for a theme from the get-go. So here we are trying to create a tech and gadgets store in here. So let's see what's the theme that will fit this, the theme that matches this niche, or just a theme that is close to this niche. So here we have this theme, Sense, which is about skincare. Refresh also is about skincare and hair. This one is about surfing boards, and this one is about handbags, bags, clothes. This one is about studios, juices, craft. I think it's about what's used in the kitchen. And here we have this one about food, publisher. It's about gallery, and this one is about fashion and clothing. So you're looking for something related to tech and gadgets. Let's just choose a theme that is destined to sell products. Let's check this one, or let's check this one, for example. Here, click on view demo store in order to see how the store is looking like. I think I'm going to use this theme. So here, just click on try theme in order to install it on your website or on your store. So here, just close the first window. You will not need it anymore. We're going to work in this other window in here. So here, let's wait for it to load. And here, by scrolling down, you will find the theme that you've just installed in the theme library. You'll just need to click on publish. So here, let's give it a few seconds to load, and as you can see, it's just added now. And here, click on publish to publish the theme. Click on publish again, and here it will be published. Click on customize in order to change the theme, to add your logo, change the announcement bar, and change everything about the theme. So here, the amazing thing about this platform is that you will not need to go to the left and search for every section. Where is the footer, where is the header, where is the section, the template, and all of those things. You will just need to go through your theme, then click on whatever you'd like to change. For example, I want to change the announcement bar. I will just click on it, then I will be able to change everything about it. So for example, I'm going to turn on this option, then I'm going to remove 5 and enter 4 seconds. Then I'm gonna come back, change what's written inside the announcement bar. I'm going to change it to free shipping worldwide. Then I'm going to come back, add another announcement. So here, let's change this to, let's go with 50% off. 50% off today only. And then let's go back, and here, watch it now. It's going to change every 4 seconds. So guys, when you're done with making your changes, just make sure to click on save to save the changes. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.